Hi everyone, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to create Tonkeeper Wallet. Setting up a wallet is the first step to securely managing your digital assets and making transactions within the app. So, let's get started on how to create Tonkeeper Wallet. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your device. You can see the wallet option at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now, tap on the Add Wallet option. From the menu, tap on the New Wallet option. Now enter a passcode for your wallet. If you want, you can change the wallet's name. Enter a name that will help you easily identify your wallet later. Finally, tap on the Save button to create and save your new Tonkeeper wallet. And this is how you can create Tonkeeper Wallet. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.